very, very gaudy, but also really cool. There's a really cool sitting room. It's a couple of chairs. And 1, 2, 3, 4 chairs. And a large, just say it looks like a large rug, but I think it's actually integrated into the carpet. And there's what's that damask pattern in the walls? It is a chandelier and a very large painting of a group of people. And then in here, a really cool sitting room. This is very, very gaudy, but also really cool at the same time. I love how the light looks in here. Just lots of textures, lots of shapes going on. Like you don't have that a lot in Western society.